Hi there. In this section, I will be show how to show our info box into the front end. Now I just first remove all of this file and just go to the browser, and here this is our front end route. And so go to the home, and here we just all info, just info box actually, info box, and that's it. And here is the pass, our all underscore info. And now this is our index page, and go to the master and look at the master. Here is this hero area we will just put in this section hero. And now after hero area is finished, and go to our feature area actually. This is our feature, so better we just make it copy, include content section dot feature. I hope is it will work or not. It will be here. Just open for feature, and this is our feature actually. And this is the one column before, another is 4, another is 4. So better I just move all those here. You already knows how to do myself, just for this. And this in for this. And here our look at that, this is our SVG icon. So we just directly put the icon. This is the title. Oh no, item. Fine. This will be the short description. And this item icon will be not in here. This is our HTML. So HTML, when the render is HTML into the blade, so better this is the item icon. It will work. And now check it. Go to the browser. This is our browser. I just insert couple of data, and this data is comes from our original application, and this application I just insert for this. And this inserting process, you just, if you want to wish of your own data, and this data I will show in here actually. I hope it's work, and just keep reload in our browser, and look at this. And this is the here is all of these things are came in here, but short description will not came. Okay. Why short description is not came? Just go to our here. This is a description, not short description. So we make a mistake for this is easy to solve. So go to our VS Code and solve this problem. Now here, this is our index.blade.php here, and this is our features.blade.php. Look at this. Here we will keep short description. It's not a short description. It will be the description. So it will be work and go. And here, and just keep reload, and description data will become. Yeah. Now the description will be come. It's very, very nice to see, and you will see all of this functionality into the info box. Now go to our main application. After completing info box, the next section will be the categories. Okay, we just make a category. We also created the category and also created the image. So we just not made any courses. So after completing the this section, it's very easy and show actually our ninja actually creating a course. It's the most complex and major portion of this project. And so okay, so next video we will work in popular category section, and after completing this and just jump to our course. Uh, stay with this channel and put up your valuable comment, uh, all of this. And if you want to be the source code actually, you just mention the comments below. I'll provide and also guide you how to install and configure of your cpanel or whatever localhost. So thank you so much. Let's see for the next video.